So I came from up there. You see all the railings? Yeah, there. And I still have more to go. Look at that. Steep, steep, steep. Stones. Slippery stones. That's Sofia again. Coming closer, closer and closer to view. And I believe I can finally see the waterfall here. So it's coming from up in the rocks, those high up rocks. It's coming down. So I have very little more left to go to the viewing point, which is down, where is it? Somewhere here, down there somewhere. So not long to go. Hopefully I don't fall. Jeez, that's steep. That's not for people who are not used to walking and who have slippery shoes or something. I met some ladies who said it's their first time walking here and they're not used to walking a lot and they deeply regret taking the path, but they were going up the slope, so they have a long way to go to reach to where I am coming from. So wish them luck. There it is. Right, I'm gonna go down there, see where people are. There. Yeah, hopefully take some good photos and a video.